Alright, so this is for the police. We just gonna record these zombies leaving. These niggas don't want no smoke. I'll kill all these niggas. We just gonna record them. Because they only doing this because they leaving. So we're gonna make sure they leave or we call the police if they stay. Very simple. We don't lose, we win. These niggas better hurry up and do something now. You see them moving? Because they know. They know. Let's fucking go. Let's go next. Let's go next. Let's go. All in the court, bitch ass niggas. Let's go. So you see how they always move when I'm... You see how they always move when I'm talking. Let's go. Next. I don't even think the bitch is next door. Yeah, the actor is not even there. I don't even see that bitch there. So that's where you got these two niggas, they leaving. So that's what I'm saying. They always do. You hear them brakes right there. So the Honda's next door. Her shit's fucked up. We already have a picture of the car. You can tell that's the same Honda because she ain't fixed the car. It's the same one we had before with all the tape on the fucking other mirror because the shit's fucked up. And what car is this? This is another one.